Watch, watch, watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. You hear me, man? A franchise to choosing one. 10-star general. You don't know when I come for represent for Gaza and Alliance, you know a full effect. You don't know it go already Gaza Nation. When I load up, crank up, aim up, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Watch. You hear me, man? Right about now, I see the whole internet in a frenzy. You know what I mean? Remember, cartel did black before and brown, Oh, no surprise, boy. Remember, we did black, we did brown, we put in braces, we drive S-Class. What year we just fly down from NASA and link Nicki Minaj. So what the fuck we not get so excited about? You don't know me is a man we move unpredictable. You don't know a sub cartel move. Listen to what I tell you now. Right about now, you see one thing me know with Black Cartel a teacher. You hear me? When Black Cartel a bust out in a dancehall music, let me tell you something. Majority of the people, them a just him flow them like them never even understand way man say. You hear that? Them not even understand the type of modern technology where the man bring to the dancehall. So everything where you see come and bust after Black Cartel, let me tell you something, a 3-syllable rhyme them use. A Black Cartel introduce that to the dancehall. You hear that? And a Black Cartel make DJ know say right now, you don't really have a DJ out the whole of your lyrics them. You can sync up a verse and itch up some melody in it with some nice metaphors. And every young artist where you see their road right now at a pattern that them follow. And right now Black Cartel come back for change back the game all over again. So let me tell you something. Right now, a straight teaching me I look for. Right now, the only thing I don't know if the general are going to go hardcore back with them wicked gun lyrics, the girl lyrics, or some wicked redemption lyrics. He might go in right about now because you know he might go forward from prison and you know he have a lot for teach about. You hear me I tell you? He have a lot for say. You know what I mean? Him vocabulary full up, a overflow, right about now. You see what I did it? And right now, it looks so bright and pretty for the Gaza nation, them for know so well then the world boss, they are prison and dominate like that. You know what I mean? You see the General Buju Banton come and everybody look forward for the coming of world boss. We see DJ Khaled in the place. We know he must link TJ record because you know the world boss thing as we stack up and him can get something for go put on him album. Likewise from the Gargamel. So you know Gaza nation is a great look. You know DJ Khaled now they are Jamaica and now asks about the general. Hear me, man. From what I see some bloggers, I jump up and I create some diss track. But here I go on. Some of the bloggers, them not think them have the right to even jump on a track and talk about them and do some diss track. Right now, the bloggers, them know themselves, But me tell you something, mouth water can't breed girl, because me hear all of this, some bloggers who already have them family, and who not priest, Mouth water can't breed girl, hear what me I say? So, the time when they there about run in a studio and about do this track, me tell you something, dog. When you go get bumbucklad oats and nut egg and guineas and sup the joint, go get a girl and get on a children, man. And you see the time I run out now, man, it's a new year of dropping right now, I want me to, man, I want cobweb on the balls, man. When I come and I jump mouth water, can't breathe, girl, man. So here, man, Gaza nation, fire for the bloggers, them with vamp and taste. Copper to them face, them a tampon face, them a man and want with that man. 80 shot him in forehead and make him brain spin like a fan. Fire for the bloggers, them with vamp and taste. Copper to him face, him a tan pan face, him a man now want to take man video link, rise the rifle from Gaza well long. True them, boy no real, nah play but them a deal. Give a girl them thing for feel and yam girl like a meal, and a dan, and a Karen, him a no say seal. So out terror spin pan CMR like cat no wheel, them nah get no right, them nah get no talk. Officer with dark like when light cut off, if you nah no give blood in your heart. Cause a bad do to bomb or rasclad, eh? Put up your hand if a girl alone, you put your cock pan. Put up your hand if batty boy, you that done a clip pan. Chichi man fi sink like quicksand, them a get too popular like a hit song. Boom. You think round here, Terror can walk a mugger, go like a thugs when a balls him a gagger. Through him head shot will travel. Bullet from winners make him blood clot maronium gravel. Fire for the blagger them with vamp and tears. Copper to him face, him a tan pan face. Him a man and want for that man. Rise the rifle from Gaza well long. We not go back where. Girl alone can visit me cock where. We not deal with, but we not astray. Video link, AK, Glock and Astel. Make up a sting them, like them running a was way. Where them a say apologize to boy with a flex like dice. Both of him choice talk say man nice. To him head shot slice, brain melt like ice, gear dead like lice. Them a destroy the human race. Cause the same sex can't bring no children. See him a make man drill them. Take gunshot, ear to boss now fuck for kill them. The girl cocky till them cramp. We no lick nothing, not even post office stamp. See him a bite girl like ants. Have girl full up him face with eye like lamp. Fire for the blogger them with vamp and taste. Copper to them face, them a tan pan face. Them a man and want fi take man. Watch. You know what the general, the 10-star wanna represent for Gaza Nation all day, all night. 24/7, 48/4. Watch. Come on my door, the big figure 4 where they explode. The general, the 10-star one in a loud effect. Watch!